Nano Babo Kabalen.
Nice! Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Aaron, Pampanga. For today's video guys, nandito tayo sa Sky Nail and Foot Spa. Located po sa may Angeles City. Nasa Koreatown po tayo. So we're gonna experience a different kind of service na talagang mapapamper tayo today. Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Nandito tayo sa loob ng Sky Nails and Foot Spa. This is actually owned by Korean. And yung mga services natin dito includes scrub. Meron din tayong nail and foot care at saka massage. So most probably guys, mga services na may enjoy natin dito yung mga foot massage and spa. Ayan, excited ako guys dahil take a look at our room natin. Around 10 chairs na talagang sobrang comfortable. And then this is where the services are being done. What are we doing, bro?
So, sa akin, papagawa ko is foot scrub and massage.
Ooh. So, when we say massage, lying ba yan? Or foot massage siya?
Foot massage siya ka.
Ooh.
Under.
Wow, ang sarap nun. Ang sarap nun. So, dito sa likuran naman, eto siya. So, dito naman guys, meron tayong nail lounge. So, notice meron tayong mga decorations for nails. Ito sila. We have some samples from Korea. Yung mga, natin, mga items natin. Or mga products natin came from Korea. Yeah, this is it. Basically, this is it. So, what are we doing, bro?
So, ngayon is gagawin natin is magpapa-foot spa tayo and foot massage. So, dito meron tayong option kung gusto nyo ng 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Yes
po.
Yes.
Naghihintay.
Ano yung sa'yo, mami?
Pedicure and scrub. Foot scrub.
Okay.
Recommended ni ma'am.
So, syempre guys, the two are getting relaxed already. And dito naman tayo daw. So, this is gonna be our chair. Let's see what anong gagawin nila sa atin. So, ayun nga guys, para akong nasa hotel, no? Yung background natin parang nasa higaan ng hotel. Pero guys, ito yung upuan dito sa may Sky. Nung natapos na yung service sa atin, I had a head and shoulder massage. Actually, super relaxing and nakatulog ako for a while. And so sa akin, head, shoulder, sa'yo. Kay Mark naman ay knees and toes. So,
Napakasimple lang ng massage pero napakasarap ng feeling after. So talagang marerelax ka. If ever gusto nyo mag-relax, magpa-massage for 30 minutes, for 1 hour, pwedeng-pwede to.
My recommendation actually guys, since ang daming chairs dito, you can actually come with your group. So probably group of 5. We have 10 chairs na available. These chairs are so comfortable. And you can also bring your partner, no? Have a relaxed time, and for sure guys, you will surely appreciate it. So that was it. That was our experience guys. If you get interested with the services, check out the fan page we're gonna be loading.
Yes, Sky Nail and Foot Massage located dito sa may SMS building.
Yes.
Sa may Korean town, Barangay Anunas, Angeles City. And they're open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Alright, there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Aaron, Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.